finish is time for rules time. And first you tell me how many mufridat means Arabic letters are there and what are they?
29. Alif Tuya.
Okay, and tell me how many Mustalim mystic letters are there and what are they?
Qaf, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ain.
No, Ghain.
Ghain.
And
Qaf.
And tell me how many lip letters are there and what are they then?
Ba, Fa, Mim, Waw.
Okay, and how many letters of Madda are there and what are they?
Waw Madda.
Yes,
Ya Madda.
yes, and Alif Madda. Please concentrate
Alif.
on your lesson. Keep your focus on screens and please. And can you tell me how does an Alif Madda, Waw Madda, Ya Madda become Madda? Can you explain it? Alif Madda.
Alif Madda. Waw
Yes.
Madda. Ya Madda.
Please explain Alif Madda. Zabar before an Alif.
Double before an Alif.
So
Sakina.
it becomes Alif Madda.
So it becomes Alif Madda.
And explain Waw Madda.
A dash before Waw Sakina.
Yes.
So it becomes Waw Madda.
And tell me Ya Madda.
A dash. A Z before Ya.
Only
Sakina.
Ya or Ya Sakina?
Or Ya Sakina. So it becomes Ya Madda.
Okay, very well. And can you tell me how are the letters of Madda pronounced?
With stretching.
How long do you stretch?
1 second.
Yes, 1 second long. And tell me what is mean by the vertical means kadi harakat? Khada zabar.
Khada zabar. Khari zed.
Yes.
Ulta pesh.
Yes, you can say khada zabar, kadi zer, and ulta pesh are called kadi harakat. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, and tell me how are the vertical means kadi harakat pronounced?
With stretching.
Yes, you can say vertical means kadi harakat are pronounced with stretching like that in the case of the letters of Madda. Do you understand?
Yes.
And listen then, Khada Zabar is similar to Waw Madda. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
I said Khada Zabar is similar to Waw Madda. Okay, listen. Khada Zabar is similar to Alif Madda. Do you remember?
Yes.
Khada Zabar is similar to Alif Madda, not a Waw Madda. And Khadi Zair is similar to Ya Madda. Okay, try to remember this one. Inshallah, tomorrow I will listen. And Ulta Pesh is similar to Waw Madda. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, very well, mashallah. And your rules time has been finished, and it's time for